In Select Dental, we offer a multitude of options when patients come in and want to bleach their teeth. The first option that they are offered is the opportunity to have us fabricate custom bleaching trays. After the trays are fabricated, the patient comes in, we go over the procedure with them, we give them the materials that they will use. They will then go home, and for a period of about 10 to 14 days, they will apply the material into the trays that we fabricated for them, wear the trays for around 1 to 2 hours per night. At the end of the process, they come back to the office, we assess their results, decide whether we need to do any additional bleaching for them, and then we can kind of go from there. The second option that we have for patients to have bleaching done in our office is we have a Zoom system, which where the patient come into the office, they will sit in the chair for around 2 hours, the teeth are isolated, a bleach is applied to their teeth, a high intensity light is then focused on their teeth, and during that period of time, the bleach permeates the pores of their teeth, and their teeth go through the bleaching process that way. Bleaching is a very powerful tool that people can use if they are unhappy with the aesthetics overall of their teeth. There are patients that come in here that have a multitude of things wrong with their teeth. They could be crooked, they could be missing teeth posteriorly, or they could just have some teeth that aren't of great color. Bleaching alone is very powerful. We have found in our patients, they have been so happy after just a bleaching process, even if they have other restorative or dental needs. It goes a long way to really making that patient feel great.